Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Finassets demo website step by step. Finassets is a low-fee crypto payment gateway that helps online businesses easily accept and manage crypto payments. First, click Try Demo on the homepage. You'll then arrive at the demo login page, where you'll see the demo login details. Simply click Copy beside the password, paste it into the field, and click Sign In. Next, enter the default two-factor authentication code, which is 111111, to complete the login. Choose your workspace company. We'll select the first one for this demo. You'll land on the balance page. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the main sections in the left-hand menu. The balance page lets you keep track of your financial status. You can search for a specific balance or click this toggle button to hide all zero balances. Moving to transactions, you can quickly search and filter by preset timeframes like today, last week, last month, or use the advanced filter to select specific options and apply them. In mass payouts, a pop-up allows you to initiate withdrawals to an address, a fiat account, or perform a mass crypto transfer. The exchange page is where you can view your balance and history related to any crypto exchanges. On the invoicing page, you can easily create an invoice using either crypto or fiat, and monitor all your past invoices in the history section. The payment button section is where you manage your projects. To create a new one, click the Add Project button in the top right and fill in the necessary details. Automations lets you set up two powerful features, Auto Sweep and Auto Convert. Both are easy to set up. Just click Add Asset, fill in the details, and hit Create. Finally, the Check Address tool lets you verify an address by entering it in the field and clicking Check. If you need support, click the Support page, then Create New Ticket. Enter the subject, select the priority, describe your issue, and click Create. Lastly, let's review settings. Here on the General Settings page, you can change your currency and number formats from the drop-down menus and manage your external addresses and fiat accounts. And that's a quick tour of the Finassets demo dashboard. Finassets provides all the tools your online business needs to effortlessly manage crypto payments. Thanks for watching. Ready to get started? Visit finassets.io today.